Okay, so my alarm went off on my clock. So this is part 2 of today's juice. And this is, I'm going to give it another spin so you can see. I see there's a piece of wet spinach that's hanging out. If that's okay, I'll just chew that up. And this is what it looks like. Juicing. Once the juice is done, I'm gonna get me a really nice, oh, you know what? The prettier the glass, I don't know what it is about me, but the prettier the glass is, the tastier it is. So with that being said, I'm gonna use my, I wish I had some bourbon to put in here, but that wouldn't be nice. I'm gonna use my Bourbon Street tall glass, and yummy, I'm ready for it. So, oops. All right, and let me pour it in so you can see what it looks like being poured into this nice, beautiful glass. Oh, it's so smooth. It is so smooth. It is so smooth. Oh, my goodness. And don't you just love it when you have leftovers so you don't have to go through this all over again? Okay, guys, so thanks for hanging in there with me. Hey, go down to the bottom. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Love you. Bye-bye.